Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Microsoft Outlook account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you manually add one contact into your Microsoft Outlook email account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to manually add one contact into your Microsoft Outlook email account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sometimes you meet people in real life and you want to be sure to add them as a contact into your Microsoft Outlook. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Microsoft Outlook account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Microsoft Outlook account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to manually add one contact, here on the left side, you're going to click on these two little people. They're in blue. Once you do that, you're going to see all the contacts you have in Microsoft Outlook. However, to add a new contact up here on the top left, click on this blue new contact button. Once you do that, you're going to see this screen, so you can go ahead and enter in their contact details. So you can add as little or as much information as you want. I would recommend that you add as much information as possible because you never know when you're going to need to reference back to that later. So let's go ahead and add new person here. Okay, so once you're done adding in the new contact into Outlook, click on this blue save button. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that we've added a new contact into our Microsoft Outlook. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to manually add one contact into your Microsoft Outlook, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.